So in this question, we have 6 cosine squared x plus 5 sine x minus 7 is equal to 0. We need to find all the solutions of x between 0 and 360. So first things first, we're going to use this trigonometry identity to change that cosine squared x into a sine x. So if we do that, therefore we would get 6. We would get 1 minus sine squared x, okay? And that is plus 5 sine x minus 7 is equal to 0. And then if we just simplify this out, so we get 6 minus 6 sine squared x plus 5 sine squared x minus 7 is equal to 0. Then we'll have a minus 6 sine squared x plus a, oh, I made a little bit of a boo-boo here, let's get rid of that. Then we'll have a 5 sine x. And then we have a 6 minus 7, which is a minus 1, is equal to 0. And now we will just change the signs of everything so we can get the sine squared x positive. So we'll have a 6 sine squared x minus a 5 sine x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay? So now at this stage, I'm going to use a bit of a substitution rule here. Because we have it in the form of a quadratic equation, I'm going to let y equal sine x, okay? And if we do that, then we end up with 6y squared minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now if I scroll up a bit, now if we were to factorize this, okay, you would get 3y minus 1, and then you'd also get 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, okay? And then if you work that out, we'd get y is equal to a third, and we would get y is equal to a half. And now we can substitute back in our sign. So we know that sine x is equal to a third, and we know that sine x is equal to a half. So if we look at the sine x is equal to a third, okay, if you were to work that out, then you would get x is equal to, remember this is to the nearest degree, so we get x is equal to 19, okay? And if you want to know how to look at your next point as well, if we draw a little cast diagram here we get 19 here, and we get another 19 here, so 180 minus 19 is 161, okay? And then if we look at sine x is equal to a half, well, we know that if sine x is equal to half, you know just from your normal rules that x has to be 30. And if x is equal to 30, 180 minus 30 is 150, okay?